Hello everybody, I'm Nick from Pixie Woo. Today's video I'm going to do for you is black liner with some false lashes. Hope you enjoy. Start off with, I'm going to just do my foundation. I have got Clinique Anti-Blemish Solution Foundation. This one is in 02 Fresh Ivory. I'm going to use a Louise Young brush just to apply that. Pop some on the back of my hand. Next I'm going to take a Healthy Mix concealer from Bourjois, and I'm going to use a Samantha Chapman Real Techniques brush just to blend that under the eye. Okay, next I have Clinique's Invisible Blend powder. It's a loose powder, so it sits really nicely on the skin. It's really easy to apply. I'm just going to use another Real Technique brush just to pop that right the way over the top and seal it into place. For the base of the eyes, I'm going to use a paint pot from MAC. This one is called Painterly. It's a pretty neutral colour. I'm just going to use it with my ring finger and just apply it softly over the eye, and it should stop the makeup moving so much. You can apply powders over the top of this or leave it straight as it is. Next I'm going to take the black liner. I'm using Avon Glimmer Stick Liner. I'm going to start off by applying it from the pencil, and then I might smudge it in depending on what sort of look you want to go for. Really, really simple. I'm then just going to take a little fine brush. The great thing about this product is it's so soft that you can actually wipe it from there and apply, and you still get the longevity that it lasts. So I'm going to carry on exactly the same for the other side. Start off with applying the product first so I can get my nice line. Then take my liner brush and just wipe some of the product from it just so I can get a slightly neater, slightly more accurate line. The choice is yours whether you want to bring the liner through into the bottom of the eye. It looks lovely if you do, but it's totally up to you. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to use a bit of mascara. I have got Clinique High Impact Kohl Mascara. Just through my brows I'm going to use a little bit of Laura Mercier Soft Brown Definer and a MAC 266 brush. It's like a cream, and I just take a little bit on my brush and just softly run it through the brows. And then for the lashes, I've got some Allure lashes. These ones are 116. The adhesive is included. Comes like that. I'm actually going to use my Duo adhesive glue because I find that it stays put a tiny bit better. Lashes people get very scared of, but they're very, very easy to do. Hold your lashes, with a pair of tweezers, get your glue, squeeze a little bit to the top, and then just run it along the lashes. You don't need too much. Like this. Check which eye it goes on. This one goes on my left eye. The key to lashes is to let the glue dry slightly so that when you put it on it's tacky and it doesn't slip around. And then just look down, place the lash in the middle and tuck your other two sides in, and then squeeze it tight, and there you have them, all in place. Give it a little squeeze. You can use your fingers if you want. And the glue will dry clear, so. Last I'm going to use a little bit of blusher from Illamasqua in Nymph. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my powder, just to give me a slightly pinky glow on the cheeks. And a slightly pinky cheek. And then on the lip I have got Please Me from MAC. I'm not going to use any liner with it, I'm just going to use it straight as it is. Give the lips a little pinky touch, and there you have the finished eyeliner and lashes look. Hope you've enjoyed that. Bye bye, have a nice day.